To reset each of the dice values to show 0, apply a for each method to the list of all dice variable. So let's call the list. Wait, what? Yeah. Let's since we are to use a method called for each. Excuse me. Then we should access the array first, which is a list of all dice, and then interpolate the for each. And then the callback function, it says use dice and index as parameters. Dice and then index. So again, what does a for each method do? It is a method used for arrays, and it is used to access an it is used to access every wait it is used to iterate the elements inside an array. Okay, so that array would be the list of all dice, and then we named the to be iterated elements, which are the dice and their index. We have to access those, and then perform the execution or perform the operation inside this callback function. So that would be it. Nice.